Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make audio and voice sound better on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro and we have this sample video right here. So I'm just gonna play this back right here so that you would know how it sounds like without any effects on it. So I'm gonna play it now. You are listening to my sample voice right now. So this is the normal one. So now let's try to make it better. So to do that, we need to click here on the workspaces and then we're gonna go into audio right here. And then from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna select our audio clip in our timeline just like so and click on the dialogue since we are dealing with the dialogue right here. But if you want to make your music better, then you can go for music, sound effects, or maybe ambience. So let's just go for dialogue. And then from here, you would have a bunch of settings right here. And the easiest thing right here is just go for a preset. So if you want to make this like podcast voice, this is my favorite because it brings a lot of clarity when it comes to voiceovers to a dialogue in general. So when I play it back, this is how it sounds now. You are listening to my sample voice right now. See how much better it is right here. So now let's try to disable this. So let's just go for default right here so that we don't have the effect. You are listening to my sample voice right now. And see how much difference it makes right there. And if you don't want the preset, then you can just manually go and modify the settings right here. So you can go for loudness, you can auto match this. You have your repair in case you have a lot of background noise, you want to reduce the noise, reduce rumble, de-hum, or whatsoever. But take note, when you are using this, it might lose some quality of your audio right here. So be careful with this one. So yeah, you can just minimize using the repair option. This is only when you really need it right here. And for the clarity, you have your dynamics, you have your EQ. What I like about EQ is that the podcast voice again, because of course it brings a lot of clarity. But you can also go for something like on the telephone and make your voice sound like you're in a telephone. So this is how it would sound like. You are listening to my sample voice right now. And see, it is really cool, especially if you're doing a specific effect that you are using in a telephone or whatsoever. And you have your enhanced speech, you can go for low tone if you're a male, and you have your reverb, and of course your clip volume if you want to make your clip much louder. And yeah, those are basically the essential settings that you can do into making your voice or audio better here in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.